Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to connect to VPN on iPhone. If you want to connect to VPN on the iPhone, so there are two different ways to do this. First, you have to install a third-party application. So go for App Store, go for search, and search for VPN. Just search for VPN, and here you can see there are too many VPNs you have to download. I can't recommend you anyone, but I'm going to install this one. Just tap on it, then tap on install, and in this way the app will be installed on your phone. Just wait for the installation. Here you can see the installation has been completed. Now I'm going to open the VPN. Just tap on it, and it will be opened. And after that, you just have to accept and continue, and then tap on allow. And here you have to skip the ad, and then tap on connect, and then tap on allow, and in this way you have to connect a VPN. So this is the one way, and after that you have the second way, which has open your phone settings. And settings, you just have to go for main settings. In main settings you can see here's a VPN section. You can easily disconnect or connect with the VPN. Now go for general, and general go for VPN and device management, tap on it, and here you can see tap on VPN, and here you can see this is VPN that I have connected. But if you have another VPN, so you can connect with the VPN manually, because the third party application just connect automatically with the VPN. But if you have a VPN, just tap on add VPN, and here you have to add description, server, remote ID, and local ID, and etc. You just have to enter this all information about your VPN, then tap on done, and then you will successfully connected to a VPN. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.